Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. I feel like I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off. Because I said something in my purse swap video, but my dad's in the hospital. He had 2 strokes. Cognitively, he was quite a bit affected. Not physically at all, which is good. He's 88 years old, but I've spent every day at the hospital and working full time and everything else. And it's just been a whirlwind. We are moving him into assisted living. That was supposed to happen today. Got a call from the hospital that he's sick. He's got a fever. They think he has a UTI. They're checking him for sepsis. He might have pneumonia. So clearly he's not moving into the facility today. Not sure where that's going to be at. So I just got back from there and I'm just kind of flustered and flabbergasted. But that's why I'm glad for this distraction. I am doing a collab today with Dawn from Dawn Loves Couture. Dawn, not only is she on the list, she should pretty much be the list.
I think she has her own.
By this point, right, she even texted me yesterday, oh my gosh, look at, they have these on sale. And I'm like, stop. But really, I'm saying more. But
Dawn, lose her number.
She finds such good deals. And so this she found, well, she told me about the deals here. And so I had to go take a look. Belk was having a bunch of sales on a bunch of things. So we each found something we would like. Yeah, because that's hard to do. And my receipt thing fell out. She found something she got. She's going to show you. I found something I got. So can you guess what brand it's from? It's a brand I've been getting a lot from lately. And I will give you a hint. It's not Coach. It's the other brand I've been buying from a lot. Trying to see how this is packaged. So it came in a nice box with a very good amount of bubble wrap. Okay, but the bag itself is not wrapped. That's interesting. So we're just gonna pull her out, and you're gonna see what I get to see. Color's awesome. I got this. So this. It smells super good. This is in the green pebbled leather. This is the Luca leather. Let's see. Kelly green.
My name is Luca.
Small satchel. So this is the small satchel in the Luca leather.
From
Dooney Bourke.
Okay.
And these remind me completely of an Alma, and I'll compare it to an Alma in a minute. But Dawn had gotten a blue bag, I think hers was a size bigger than this one, and she had raved about the leather and stuff, and I didn't have anything in their Luca leather. I don't have anything in this green, which is just absolutely gorgeous. And so the sale price, I had to have it. So let's take her for a spin. So we have the front here. We have the side. I kind of like the little tabs there. Clearly they're just for looks. The back side, no pocket or anything like that. The other side. The zip goes from one end all the way over to the other side. And the bottom does have feet. The pebbled leather is really nice. I'm really happy with that. It's got 2 zippers, one on each side. And let's see now. Okay, here's my little yellow card thing. So here's the stuffing. Okay, so it comes with a removable strap. Let's see, is that adjustable? Try to see if there's little dots for the thing. Yes, it is adjustable, clearly removable. Okay, here's the dust bag. These aren't very substantial, but at least they are a dust bag. And I like these, because this one too, because the inside is the textured, words are hard. like canvas. It's like canvas, but it's white. It's not the red color. So it's got one big pocket on the front here, slip pocket, and the pocket's lined with leather. Then on the back side, it's got its little creed, and then a zip pocket. And then as you can see, it did have the little key attacher thing here. And yeah, so that's my new bag. So let's compare it to the Alma. So put them side by side here. So we look pretty similar. I would say, boy, size-wise, they're about identical. They both have feet. You guys can tell me if the size looks similar there.
I think the green might be just a skosh bigger.
And I would say it's a little bigger even looking at it like this.
Yeah.
From the side.
It doesn't taper as quickly as the Alma.
Yeah. And I like, well, the Alma has a little lock, which is cool, and it's got this little clochette. The satchel, small satchel, does not have that. And I don't think the Alma has anything inside as far as like pockets go. It does have 2 zippers.
The zipper goes down a little farther on the Alma.
It's got, yeah, the zipper goes all the way to the bottom. The Alma has a slip pocket on one side, nothing on the other side, but it's kind of got almost like a suede lining. But price per price, I think this was $100 and the sheet fell, but it probably doesn't have the price on it. Let me see. No, it just says Luca small satchel. But I want to see it was like 100 and something. And now the Alma in leather is probably, what, again, over $2,000 and maybe $3,000. So if you were going to buy one, I maybe would go this way, because you could probably buy this in every color they make for the same price as one of these from Louis Vuitton. Trying to think. I'm trying to feel like if one's heavier than the other. I think they're pretty close to the same. The hardware's, this is unique, and I love that it's silver, and I love the square, but the this is actually a little probably more substantial looking.
Is it gold?
But yeah, like a champagne gold. This has
not a champagne supernova.
No, this has the contrast white stitching. And I'm so glad, if you notice lately, that I've been buying a number of Dooney and Bourke bags, but I've been very pleasantly happy because the ones I've been buying don't have the big old tassels on.
Are they dancer bags?
And maybe those are, I don't know. But yeah, I'm really pleased about this. I really like the color. I was hoping it would be bright green like that. Although I was almost thinking that I could use my new bag charm on it when I did it, but I don't know if I like that together or not, because I think this green is a little bit too bright green for this.
That looks like something I would put together, so it doesn't work.
Okay, good to know. So that's what I have for you today. What do you guys think? Do any of you guys have this? I would definitely, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I like having my Alma from Louis Vuitton. I think this bag is beautiful, but I mean, price-wise and stuff, like I said, you could have a whole bunch of these, and for the same price as one of those. So, I do think this is really nice. I'll have to see how it wears. The leather obviously is softer than the epi, so you see like this little bump here. You can see a little bit of pulling from the stitching right there, but that's something I only notice now that I stitch bags together. Otherwise, I probably never would have noticed that, but, yeah, do you guys have this bag at home? What do you guys think? Check out Belkmet. I think they're still having sales. And Dooney and Bourke, and I Love Dooney, have a ton of sales right now, too, because of Mother's Day coming up. So, do I see more Dooney in my future? Maybe. And I think that's really funny, because for the longest time, I thought I'd never have anything from there. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4... I think I have 4 Dooney bags now. And if they all were like this at this price, I'd probably have more. Yeah, that's what I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I was really excited to get it. It's just, Dooney has some really fun colors. I think that's one of the reasons I really like Floran and their swan bags, because they have probably about 25 different colors. Floran does. Dooney doesn't have that many, but they do have a lot of nice bright colors, and they do neutrals really well. So, yeah. And I also like that it didn't have the red interior. So, not that I have anything against that, but I like it not having it. So, okay, now I will say, if you like this video, or again, even if you don't, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out these videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both luxury and contemporary handbags and small leather goods. I do a bag swap video on Mondays where I swap from my current bag. I go into my next bag and I give you a little bit of information about both, pros and cons. I switch out all my small leather goods as well with all of those swaps. Occasionally you might see a video pop up for me on a Thursday, like this coming Thursday. That'll be a book related video where I do a book haul and also tell you what I've been reading, what I want to read, things like that. Those are only on occasion and they're only on Thursdays. If you haven't found me over on Instagram already, I'm there as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch Dawn's video too. She's my collab on this. And, bye.